Looking for a faster computer? There is a commercial on TV selling a faster computer than what you currently own. This one claims a boot up time of only 6 seconds. Compare this to the speed you are currently experiencing, which is likely a couple of minutes. There are other benefits to this machine such as battery life and weight, but the boot up speed is the kicker. Price for this laptop is over $600. If you're looking for a quicker machine, you can dramatically increase your machine speed and save yourself a pile of money in the process. All you need to do is replace your mechanical hard drive with an SSD or solid state drive. It's a fairly easy process. First thing you do is buy an SSD card. You can get a 500 gigabyte from Amazon for under $100. This should be a large enough drive for you, but if you prefer a 1 terabyte drive, expect to pay a little more. You will also need a USB 3.0 to SATA, SATA adapter. Keep in mind this cable is for the 2.5-inch drive only, so make sure you are getting the 2.5-inch drive as well. This is the size for a laptop. The only other thing you will need is a piece of software to clone your hard drive to your solid state drive. And this can be downloaded and it's free. The cloning program will make an exact copy of your hard drive onto your solid state drive, so you don't have to reinstall any programs you have in place, which saves a lot of time. It can take up to 90 minutes to clone a 500 gigabyte drive. Once your drive is cloned, all you need to do is replace the hard drive with the solid state drive. You can always do this yourself, but due to the delicacy of the electronics involved, you should be experienced. There are some delicate cables in a laptop that need to be disconnected and reconnected in the process, and if one of these gets snapped off, the motherboard becomes junk. Your local computer store should be able to swap out the drives for you in a few minutes. You can still use your USB to SATA adapter. Just plug it into one of your USB slots on your now very fast laptop and connect it to your old hard drive, and you have an external drive. It still has all your data files in place, and you have more room for storage of files. You may want to rearrange the folders, but you don't have to. Now your machine will boot up within seconds as opposed to minutes before the change. You'll also notice quicker access to all your programs. They will run faster and more efficiently. For less than $100, this is a pretty good move.